What day is it today? The 3rd of March, 2010. And we've just got hold of a Bartek focus device to play around with, because I've got to take it back to London tomorrow. So we're going to investigate what's in the box. Right, so this is all the equipment connected together, and so you've got your gears which change the focus or the lens aperture, and then these connect to a cable here which comes out, and it also does kind of like clicks up and down, and also this thing twists in and out, which is pretty good because then you can grip onto the rails. This cable goes to the receiver, which then goes onto the side of the camera. The on and off button is just here, and that's different channels there. On the other side, this is where you plug it in. And that little light bulb there is the status bar, which, if it's green, then it's good. And if it flashes red, then it's running out of batteries. Then that cable then has got a little antenna on, which then feeds to this thing over here, but we'll get to that in a minute. This then goes down to one of these standard cables. I can't remember what the cables are. Then this goes to a battery, which would be probably either down the crane, at the bottom of the crane, or something like that. I can imagine down the bottom of the crane because it's quite a weighty battery. The batteries are 12 volt, 29 watts NIL cards, Hawkwoods, which standard kind of like fittings, so it's that kind of size. And these, on the gears, these also come out. Well, not very easily, but they come out, and you can change them into various other different sizes and shapes for different lenses, and all that jazz. There's also other stuff which grips onto the bars as well. Okay, quickly I'll just cover the radio control. The radio control can just control the what are we calling this? Gear switch thing. It controls the lens basically. There is an on and off switch here, which you have to prime first, so you've got to press on the on first. Then you got to press the then you got to press stop. Then you got to press the run key. Then you got to also press the receiver down as well. Then I put this next to this, so you're turning this. It will sync up with that, and it works quite well actually. It's quite impressive. Okay, now we're going to try out the camera with the focus device attached together.